I got a challenge for you. I'm going to play a song here on my guitar, and then I'm going to play the same chords with a capo, and I want you to tell me what the new key is. This song was in the key of E. I was just playing the E chord, a version of the F sharp minor, and the G sharp minor. Now I'm going to grab my capo, and I'm going to put it, let's see, where should I put it? Let's put it on the 5th fret right here, and I'm going to play the same chord shapes. Tell me what the key is, and then, if you're good, tell me exactly the chords I'm playing too. All right, did you get it? Put it in the comments below, the key and the chord. So I'll go over it now, though, if you don't get it. I'm playing E originally. Oh, that's E minor. I was just playing the E chord, the F sharp minor, and G sharp minor. If I move this up 5 frets, I'm essentially taking this nut and moving it up here to the 5th fret. And now this, what was an E chord, same shape now with the capo, is a chord. And then when I slide it up, I'm out a B minor chord, and then a C sharp minor chord. All right, did you get that? I appreciate you being here. Thanks for all the comments. If you want to learn more, check out rocklikethepros.com.